Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can enable dark mode in TikTok. So the mode which you see right now, it's actually dark mode. So this is what dark mode is going to look like, alright? And if you also want to enable it, then watch the video until the end. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video. First step, you want to click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and at the top you can see the three line. Click on it and click on where it says setting and privacy. Once you go on setting and privacy, on the content and activity sector you can see dark mode. Click on it, and if it is selected on dark just like me, your TikTok is going to be dark. But if you want to turn it back to the light mode, you can just click on light and it will go back to normal. So this video is to teach you guys how to change into dark. So once you come over here, make sure you click on dark and it's going to be transformed over here just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can enable dark mode on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. And for more TikTok related videos, you can check out our channel because we have posted many TikTok videos on this channel in the past. You can check those videos out to get some more features and knowledge about TikTok. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.